I'm Robert Sledge. I own and operate two independent telephone companies, Sledge Telephone Company, Lakeside Telephone Company, located in Sunflower, Mississippi, and Glen Allen, Mississippi. Approximately 21 years ago, I was interested in finding somebody to help us with our insurance, and received a letter from Mr. Haney at American Risk Managers, and called him, and he came and sat down and visited with us. We had been using local providers for our insurance, and just felt that we were over covered in some areas, undercovered in some areas. Just wanted to make sure we had good coverage. Had a particular instance where I went and bought a vehicle and walked across the street to the insurance office after I had bought the tag and asked them to put the new vehicle on the insurance and take the old truck off. And I told them whatever kind of truck the old truck was to take off, and they looked and said that they didn't have that listed. They had a such and such other truck, which happened to be the truck that I traded to get the truck that I had traded in to get the one I got now. I had been driving a truck for 3 years that was never covered under insurance, I found out, and that is what prompted me to start looking. But anyway, Mr. Haney came and visited us, sat down, and we spent the better part of 2 days together, and he came back with a proposal. The second visit was much longer, but through visiting and looking at our operation, came up with a proposal to go out and seek bids on insurance. We invited both of the local companies that we were doing business with, as well as a couple of companies that I had never heard of that Mr. Haney knew of, and carried us through a bid process. We found out that we had, as we had thought, we had double coverage. We had some things that weren't covered, and we went through a bid process and changed our insurance to another provider. I've been with that provider for 21 years, but Mr. Haney does a good job of keeping up with that company and keeping them honest. I can truly say that from an economic standpoint, he has saved me more money in insurance costs than I pay him. And I can also say that the value of what he does for me in peace of mind is worth money also. Never have to worry with handling a claim. When you call the office in Hamilton, Alabama, there is a human being, and I don't have to punch a button to speak English to them. They answer the phone, and they take care of my woes. They will hunt me down when I don't call them back, too. But the group there at American Risk Managers will come visit with you, learn your business, and make sure you're covered and take care of you on an ongoing basis. They don't forget you after they start. They're still there with you. We've been there 21 years, and as long as they're there and keep doing the job, we tend to be there.